Hi, my name is Andrew Kinney. I'm an attorney with Hoglund Law Offices. Today I'm going to talk about Social Security hearings. In my 25 years of doing Social Security hearings, one of the biggest things that people have questions about is what happens at a hearing, and we'll go over that. Social Security hearings take a long time to get. The national average is probably over a year, if not a year and a half, to get a hearing from the denial before the reconsideration denial. So keep in mind that hearings take a long time to get. Once you get a hearing, you're assigned to a specific judge near your location, or at least a location where you can communicate with the judge by video. But one way or the other, based on where you live, you'll be assigned a judge. Now, another question I have from people that have not hired an attorney yet is, should I have an attorney for my hearing? I am an attorney, and I can tell you yes, and here's why. Social Security hearings have a judge who's a lawyer, and in these hearings there's a vocational expert and sometimes a medical expert. These hearings are private, so you can't watch hearings to understand what hearings are like. There may be hearings online, but they're not real hearings. What's important to understand about a hearing is that the judge will be talking directly with you about the medical limitations that you have. The judge's ultimate question depends on your age, but the ultimate question is, can you work a full-time job? If you have a lawyer, your lawyer can explain what the judge needs to understand to allow you to be approved. Now, the hearing itself with an attorney means that you're still talking to the judge directly. But what I can say, and what I tell my clients, is this: it's important to tell the truth. It's important to listen to the questions the judge asks. It's important to keep your answers direct. For instance, if there's a yes or no question, answer yes or no, and then elaborate. Generally, the order is that the judge will ask questions of you first, then your attorney will follow up with questions. The reason why your attorney at a Social Security hearing follows up with questions is because sometimes the questions that judges ask are inadequate. Sometimes they may seem misleading. So keep in mind that if you have an attorney for your Social Security hearing, your attorney is listening to the questions that you're asked by the judge and then following up to make sure there's clarity, because these hearings are recorded. Once the judge is done asking you questions and your attorney is done following up with questions, then the judge will get advice from the expert or experts at the hearing. Your attorney's job is to cross-examine them. I'll do another video on what happens with the experts at hearings when you have an attorney. So at the number below on our screen, you can feel free to call us if you don't have an attorney, because we'll be happy to consult with you about whether we can help you with your Social Security hearing and your Social Security benefits. Thank you.